Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to remove an account from a Chromebook for any reason, then this video is for you. Here is a full guide from Chromebook Help, so you can find the instruction in the Google support, so where you can find that if someone no longer uses your Chromebook regularly, you can remove their account. On the Chromebook sign in screen, select the profile you want to remove. Next to the profile name, select the draw button or the down button actually, just like this, and it will allow you to see some drop down menu from where you can select the remove this user. Then in the box that appears, select the remove this user, and when you remove an account, it's only removed from the Chromebook. The Google account itself include its data and settings will still exist, so you can find a two of them, or just like this in your Chromebook browser you can find a profile at top right corner, and from here you can find add a Chrome profile, or you can find all the Chrome profile if you want. So you can find manage Chrome profile or Chromebook profile, then you can probably find this type of interface where you can remove this user. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.